Months after Hurricane Melissa battered sections of Clarendon, disaster assessments are still ongoing and residents continue to come forward seeking help. More in this report. At the latest Municipal Corporation meeting, Mayor of Maypen, Joel Williams, revealed that many affected residents are only now realizing they must be formally registered to receive assistance.
I'm still coming across a number of individuals, person turning up here, asking for assistance, and I have to be directing them to the Ministry of Social Security for their name to be registered. If they are not registered, they will not be on the listing to receive any assistance.
Meanwhile, disaster officials say the window for assessments has been extended to capture every affected household.
The deadline for damage assessment was extended to the 31st of January, and the extension will provide for additional time so that all affected individuals are assessed thoroughly.
Disaster coordinator for the parish, Stacey Henningham, also disclosed that months later, the Cop-Out Community Center remains open as a shelter, housing one occupant whose home was completely destroyed.
We continue to provide ongoing support through the Welfare Subcommittee and the Poor Relief Department.
As assessments continue, officials are urging affected residents to come forward quickly, as recovery, they say, cannot move faster than the paperwork that drives it.